Welcome once again, friends. In today's video, we have compiled important questions and answers of chapter How Do Organisms Reproduce? And also don't miss the important questions of the previous chapters. I have given the links of all the chapters in the description, and also you can go to the playlist where there will be all chapters video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. So let's begin with question number 1. When a cell reproduces, what happens to its DNA? Answer to this question is, when a cell reproduces, DNA replication occurs which forms two similar copies of DNA. Question number 2. Name the life process of an organism that helps in the growth of its population. Answer to this question is, reproduction is the life process that helps in multiplication of an organism and growth of its population. Question number 3. Name the method by which Spirogyra reproduces under favorable conditions. Is this method sexual or asexual? Answer to this question is, the method by which Spirogyra reproduces under favorable conditions is fragmentation. This is an asexual mode of reproduction. Question number 4. How does Plasmodium reproduce? Is this method asexual or sexual? Answer to this question is, Plasmodium reproduces through multiple fission method. In this method, the parent organism splits to form many new organisms at the same time. This is an asexual method of reproduction. Question number 5. Name two simple organisms having the ability of regeneration. Answer to this question is, Hydra and Planaria are two organisms that have the ability to regenerate. Question number 6. What is the role of the seminal vesicle? Answer to this question is, seminal vesicles are a pair of the thin-walled, muscular, elongated sacs that secrete fluid to nourish and transport the sperms. Question number 7. What is the role of the prostate gland? Answer to this question is, to facilitate sperm transport and provide nutrition, the prostate gland secretes fluid into the urethra and seminal vesicles. Question number 8. Write two factors that determine the size of a population. Answer to this question is, the rate of birth and death in a given population will determine the size of a population. Question number 9. What happens when a planaria gets cut into two pieces? Answer to this question is, when planaria is cut into two pieces, then each piece grows into a complete organism. This is known as regeneration. Question number 10. What is parthenogenesis? Answer to this question is, parthenogenesis is the process of asexual reproduction that involves the development of female gametes without fertilization. Before we proceed to the next question, please take a moment to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. This way they can also review these important questions. Question number 11. What is syngamy? Answer to this question is, the fusion of the male and female gametes during fertilization is called syngamy. Question number 12. The simple animal like planaria can be cut into a number of pieces and each piece grows into a complex organism. What is the process known as? Answer to this question is, a simple animal like planaria can be cut into a number of pieces and each piece grows into a complex organism. This process is known as regeneration. Question number 13. Name the unicellular organism which caused the disease known as Kala Azar. Answer to this question is, the unicellular organism which caused the disease known as Kala Azar is known as Leishmania. Question number 14. Which process is taking place in the nucleus of a cell that leads to variation in the offspring during reproduction? Answer to this question is, DNA copying taking place in the nucleus of a cell leads to variation in the offspring during reproduction. Question number 15. A pregnant woman visits a doctor to determine the sex of a child. The doctor refused to perform the test. Why is she being denied? Answer to this question is, sex determination is crime in India. The doctor refused to perform the test in order to prevent female feticide, which leads to a shocking drop in child sex ratio. Question number 16. Protozoan reproduce by binary fission as well as by multiple fission. In your opinion, which process is better and why? Answer to this question is, Multiple fission is better than binary fission because in multiple fission, organisms divide into multiple individuals. It helps to tide over unfavorable conditions. Question number 17. What happens if the fallopian tubes are partially blocked and the ovulated eggs are prevented from reaching the uterus? Answer to this question is, if the fallopian tubes are partially blocked, fertilization may take place in the tube instead of the uterus. Question number 18. Name the structure through which pollen tubes enter the ovule. Answer to this question is, pollen tubes enter the ovule through stigma. Question number 19. What is tubectomy? Answer to this question is, tubectomy is the permanent method of contraception in women by removal of a section of fallopian tube. And here is the last question. Which type of layering is done in jasmine? Answer to this question is, air layering is done in jasmine. I am sure that you all found these questions beneficial for your preparation. The important questions from other chapters will be presented next. Kindly subscribe to my channel to receive notifications promptly. Looking forward to reconnecting with you soon. Goodbye.